Are you ready to transform your side hustle into your main source of income and become your own boss? Many dream of turning their passion projects into a full-fledged business, but the path from side hustle to main hustle can seem daunting. In this video, we dive deep into the strategic steps you need to take, just like Mia did when she turned her freelance writing gig into a thriving content creation agency. We'll explore how to plan meticulously, manage finances wisely, and make calculated moves that minimize risks and maximize success. Whether you're a budding entrepreneur or a seasoned side hustler, get ready to take notes as we unlock the secrets to making your business dreams a reality. Did you hit subscribe yet? Do that first, and now let's get started. Defining the journey. What is a side hustle? A side hustle is initially a supplementary project that isn't yet strong enough to financially support you on its own. It's distinct from mere hobbies or part-time jobs as it possesses the potential to evolve into a primary career focus. We will clarify this potential by distinguishing between side hustles and regular employment, stressing the importance of focusing on a side project that aligns with long-term career goals. Consider Sarah, a graphic designer who freelances, gradually building her clientele to pivot her side hustle into a full-time design firm. Financial security. First, laying the groundwork. The foundation of any successful transition from side hustle to main hustle is financial security. It's essential to create a financial buffer by living below your means and saving diligently while working your primary job. We discussed the necessity of having at least 6 months' worth of living expenses saved up before taking the leap, similar to an entrepreneur who saved $50,000 over 2 years on a $50,000 annual salary by living frugally and setting clear financial goals. To implement this, track your expenses, set strict savings goals, and perhaps consider a budgeting app to manage finances effectively. Matching income. When to make the leap. Deciding when to fully commit to your side hustle involves ensuring it can at least match the income from your current job. This segment explores how to evaluate your side hustle's financial viability and the strategic timing for making the switch. An example here is John, who worked part-time on his tech consultancy and made half of his day job salary in just 10 hours a week. By projecting this rate to a full-time effort, John realized he could potentially double his income by transitioning to his side hustle. Your side hustle should ideally match or exceed your current job's income before you transition. Analyze the income potential of your side hustle by projecting current part-time earnings over a full-time schedule. Minimizing risks, the safe transition strategy. Transitioning to full-time entrepreneurship is fraught with risks. This section covers how to minimize these through strategic planning and validation of your side hustle's income. We emphasize the importance of sustained financial performance over time before making the leap. Validate your business model by testing it under different market conditions and continuously track the revenue. For instance, Emily ensured her online craft store's income was stable for 6 months before quitting her day job, a strategy that could be mirrored by regularly reviewing financial health through tools like income tracking spreadsheets or business dashboards. Overcoming barriers. Reducing overheads and utilizing resources. Reducing overheads and making the most of available resources are crucial for supporting your transition. We discuss practical ways to cut down living costs and leverage every asset at your disposal. An inspiring story here is of Alex, who reduced his rent by offering fitness training to his landlord, illustrating how exchanging skills for reduced living expenses can facilitate your entrepreneurial goals. Alex's story shows how creative solutions can provide stability during transitional phases. To support your transition, minimize overheads and utilize all available resources. Reducing rent through bartering services may seem like a daunting ask to give a landlord, but it's actually a creative strategy. Here's typically how it works. Identify an opportunity. The individual might start by identifying a landlord, roommate, or neighbour who has a need or interest that matches the individual's skills, but may lack the time, motivation, or resources to fulfill it themselves. Offer services. The individual proposes a trade where they provide regular sessions of their specialised service, be it tutoring, web design, gardening, or another skill, in exchange for a reduction in rent. This could involve setting up a schedule and providing personalised assistance based on their expertise. Mutual benefits. The landlord or roommate benefits from receiving personalised, convenient services without the direct cost of hiring a professional. In return, the individual offering the services enjoys reduced living expenses, which helps free up financial resources for other pursuits or savings. Formalise the agreement. It's crucial to formalise this agreement, possibly with a written addendum to any existing rental agreement, outlining the terms of the services, the amount of rent reduction, and the expected duration of the barter arrangement. Deliver and evaluate. The individual must consistently provide valuable and effective services to maintain the value of the agreement and potentially extend its terms. Making the decision with confidence. We wrap up with key strategies to confidently make the transition from side hustle to main hustle. Here's your mega quick review on how to make your 5 to 9 your 9 to 5. Understand the risks and rewards. Understanding both the potential upsides and challenges of transitioning from a side hustle to a full-time venture is crucial. Aspiring entrepreneurs need to assess the market, understand the financial implications, and identify the personal and professional sacrifices that may be required. Develop a detailed plan. Drawing from the story of Mia, it's clear that a detailed step-by-step plan is essential. This plan should include specific goals, timelines, and milestones that help track progress. Mia's transition from freelance writing to managing a full-scale content creation agency required a clear blueprint outlining how she would scale her operations, secure clients, and manage business growth. Secure financial stability. Before making the leap, ensure that there is enough financial cushion to sustain the initial phase where the business might not generate sufficient income. This might involve saving a substantial amount of money, as Mia did, or securing funding or investments to cover the operational costs during the early stages. Build a strong foundation. This involves setting up the necessary infrastructure for the business, which includes legal, accounting, and operational systems. For Mia, transitioning to a content creation agency required her to establish a legal business entity, set up a client contract system, and implement a content management process. Test and validate the business model. Before going full-time, it's beneficial to test the business model on a small scale. This could mean taking on a few key projects or clients to validate the demand for the services and fine-tune the business offerings based on feedback. Maya likely took on several key projects before fully committing to ensure there was a viable market for her agency. Gradual transition. Rather than abruptly ending the side hustle, gradually shifting focus from the side hustle to the main hustle can help manage the transition smoother. This allows for adjusting strategies as needed and reduces the financial shock that might come with switching income sources. Seek advice and mentorship. Engaging with mentors, advisors, or other entrepreneurs who have undergone similar transitions can provide valuable insights and guidance. Maya's success might have been bolstered by the support and advice from experienced individuals in her field. Are you ready to reshape your career path and elevate your side hustle to new heights? Subscribe for more empowering content that guides you through each step of your entrepreneurial journey. Let's transform your passion into a thriving business together. Dive into the world of entrepreneurship with us and make your dreams a reality.